welcome to the Six Report. Today I'm joined with Drew Zimmerman, CEO of Stallion Discoveries, to discuss the recent letter of intent with ATHA Energy Corp. Drew, thanks for joining us today. Can you educate us on why your team is interested in this property and the opportunity with ATHA?
Yeah, absolutely. And thanks for having me on, Kyle. First and foremost, in the nuclear space, I mean, we are incredibly bullish with the environment that we're in now and think that the next few years are going to be a very exciting time for the nuclear space and therefore the uranium space. So when you're looking at uranium, the Athabasca Basin is the best place to be looking for uranium in the world. The grades are over 20 times anywhere else in the world, just incredibly high grade, large pound deposits that are potentially findable there. And again, already producing mines with Cameco and NextGen bringing a mine into development. So with this deal with ATHA, we were able to acquire a significant land package in the Western Athabasca Basin. We already have a significant package there. We had 800 square kilometers. With ATHA, we'll be up to 3,000 square kilometers. So a very large land package in what we think is the underexplored section of the basin, that being the Western Basin, but getting a little bit more attention with NextGen and Fission moving towards development of their projects, and F3 Uranium having a recent ultra high grade discovery, and they continue to hit good drill results there as well. So really building out an incredibly big real estate package in what we think is an underexplored area of the best real estate in the world for uranium.
Perfect. And can you talk about how you acquired that real estate? Maybe provide some further context on the option agreement and go over the terms for us, please.
Yeah, for Stallion, it's a 5-year option earn-in. So we issue 3,333,333 shares of Stallion to ATHA Energy. They become shareholders of Stallion. And then we will spend roughly 3.3 million in exploration in the first year, and another 8.7 million, totaling 12 million in the next 4 years. So 12 million over 5 years. That will leave us in a 70-30 JV with ATHA Energy. So again, Stallion holding a significant ownership position throughout that land, and again taking that and adding it to the land that we own 100% outright to create 3,000 square kilometers in the basin. So really looking at Stallion as being one of the large landholders in an underexplored area of the basin.
So when this deal closes, how would this change your strategy moving forward in terms of exploration?
Yeah, our strategy on the exploration side has been clear from the beginning. When we first acquired these, our initial projects in January, we said we wanted to get out there and explore them right away, and we've done that. We had a helicopter in the air for almost 2 months. We're processing that data now. So as we continue to move that data forward and the initial exploration efforts on our own projects forward, we'll sort of absorb the ATHA ground into that same sort of strategy. So again, we're following a roadmap that's been proven to lead to discovery success in the basin. And we'll just put the ATHA ground on that roadmap. So likely start with an airborne geophysics survey. And again, that will just sort of be following a few months behind the projects that we've already kicked off our exploration efforts on.
And anyone following uranium definitely knows about the Athabasca Basin. Do you see further collaboration or consolidation in that region?
Again, I think so. I mean, we're talking about the best real estate in the world when it comes to uranium exploration and uranium production, with Cameco already producing out of the Athabasca Basin, and again, a couple more companies hoping to be producing in the years ahead. So there's still a lot of ground there. There's a lot of operating companies in the area. I think there will be more. So the ability for these companies to work together to really bring value to their shareholders, to all stakeholders in the region, I think is there. And I think it'll be an exciting place to be as again, we think the uranium market as a whole, and therefore the nuclear market as a whole, and therefore the uranium space will be an incredibly exciting place to be. So the potential for further JVs or acquisitions, I think, is definitely there, and that creates a lot of excitement and opportunity for shareholders and stakeholders in the basin.
Perfect. Thank you, Drew, for your time.
Thanks, Kyle. Appreciate it.